YouTube. So today I have a chit chat, chill, get ready with me. I am on my way to my holiday work party that I am getting ready for in this video. I did want to let you guys know that there is going to be a change of lighting, so I did film with natural light for the get ready with me portion of the video, but obviously the ending and the intro is after and it's dark, so I'm using my ring light. But I did want to just let you guys know that I really appreciate y'all and I'm so excited for this new year. I definitely have a lot planned, a lot coming, a lot to do, so I hope you guys are buckled in and ready for this journey with me. I am so very grateful for all of you who have been subscribed to me for a while or are new. It really does mean a lot to me. We're gonna be talking about a lot of things in this video, but I hope you guys enjoy it. And if you want to see how I created just the makeup look portion of this look, then just keep on watching. I have put on my brows. I am just using Anastasia Dip Brow and Ash Brown. Now I'm going to clean up under the brows and conceal my lids, and I'm going to use this MAC 24-Hour Studio Fix Smooth Wear Concealer. This is in the shade NC25. I may just film here when I do get ready with me. It may switch up though, just because this is such a weird angle and it's not appealing, but I am actually getting ready for my job's holiday party. Yes, tonight. It is after the holidays, the actual time of the holidays. It was actually busy for us work-wise. Planning a party was kind of like not gonna be possible. In this get ready with me, I am gonna be using a ton of new products. I definitely want to get back into the swing of things. I really hope you guys enjoyed the mukbang that I did with Ailani on Friday. That video was a ton of fun. I don't normally do mukbangs. I feel like it's more of like a social video, which I definitely want to incorporate into my channel. Doing a mukbang with Ailani, who is the mukbang queen, was definitely a great experience. I really enjoyed it. Who knows, maybe I'll do another mukbang. I'm gonna eat some Lihimui gummy bears. We're gonna be going to Hawaii soon. I can't wait to go, because when we go there, ooh, I'm gonna be stocking up. The lids are concealed. Now I'm gonna start doing the eyes, and I'm just gonna use James Charles. It has everything that I need right now. I am not in a rush. Well, now I am. I don't even know what eye look I'm gonna do. Obviously something super simple, because the funny thing about it is I work from home. So really, like, these people have never seen me before besides my boss and my best friend. Well, they did have like a 2-week training, so that class knows each other. When I got hired, it was because someone who had originally said yes to the job pulled out. So there was one spot open. I got it. When I was training for this job, I trained at my manager's house. I only trained there for like a couple days, which is really nice. I was able to work from home right from the get-go, whereas Chloe's class had trained for a couple weeks. That'll be interesting. I did not want to go glam, but I do want to formally say Happy New Year's to you guys face to face or screen to screen or whatever else. Hope you guys are having an awesome 2019 so far. For me, 2018 was a lot of healing, learning about myself, a lot of self-reflection, a lot of health awareness. So we're gonna take Stila and pop her on. But yeah, for me it was just a lot of like care, self-care, realizing how important time is. 2018 was definitely a lot of that. We went back to church, and that definitely plays a lot in our life today. So for this year, I definitely want to make it a prosperous year, to do a lot this year YouTube wise, and being able to film a mukbang with Ailani is amazing, and that just really motivated me to, you know, really push YouTube in general. So if you haven't seen that video, we do have this challenge going on. If I am able to make 1,000 subscribers by the end of January, me and her we'll do a giveaway. She is so motivated and so goal driven that it just feeds off of her. Honestly, when she had said it in the mukbang, I was like, you're crazy. It's a big goal, no doubt. I just feel like I'm so pumped and I am so motivated, and having someone like her in your life that just does the same things you do, wants the same things you do, it's just really inspiring. So if you didn't watch that video, that is what the challenge is here on my channel. I will be probably saying it in every video. If you guys do decide to participate, definitely tell your family, friends, moms, dads, share the video, like the video, comment on it. That's what really helps us out. All YouTubers, any YouTuber that you love or that you're subscribed to. I do want to say thank you if you tuned in to the Vlogmas that I did for December of 2018. It was definitely a lot of fun, and it surprised me in a way where my husband was so into it. It really helped me out in the end. And so we are thinking about creating another YouTube channel that is just for our ohana, our family. I think there it'll be like a lot of Tyrus, probably mostly vlogging. We're still thinking about it. Definitely let me know what you guys think, if that is something that you guys would watch or tune into. I'm gonna use some Dubai's from Makeup Shack. We're going glam. Is this something that I wanna do? Yeah, forget. I'm gonna put on these lashes real quick, and then when I am done, we will come back and we will do the face. And I put on lashes, and I did line above the lashes just to help them blend into the eyes more. But now we are gonna get into the face. So I am just gonna be spraying my face with Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. So I'm just letting that soak into the skin. And then for primer, I'm going to be using the Farsali Unicorn Essence. So I just drop in 3 places on my face, and then I start working it into the skin. More than enough coverage for the whole face. You know what I mean? For foundation today, I am going to be using the Smashbox Studio Skin in the shade 3.0. And I'm going to use it with a rose sponge. This is by Juno & Co. Off the bat, it's softer than the blue one, so if you love the blue sponge, get the pink one. First time using it though, so we'll see. I'm just going to pump some on the sponge. We'll do 4 pumps. Now I'm going to just apply it on the face. I'm going to use the other side to blend it out. The coverage of this foundation is definitely amazing. I love. So if you've seen Ailani, our video from Friday, then you would have seen that on her channel we did a makeup challenge. We did our makeup in reverse. Even now it's like confusing me, because now I'm thinking like, okay, do I put on foundation and then concealer? I just did 1 more pump. Probably should take it down the neck. The shade seems a bit, it's warm, but I can feel I can see somewhat of a neutral undershade. Undershade, undertone, oh my gosh. So I feel like the coverage is pretty good. It's not bad. It's definitely like a medium coverage foundation. So I'm going to take 1 more pump, and I'm going to apply it on areas of my face that I need more coverage in. I do like this sponge too. I mean, it still has that like fuzzy velvet feeling, but the softness is similar to a beauty blender. For concealer, I'm going to take the MAC Studio Fix 24 Hour Smooth Wear Concealer in NC30. This is a shade lighter. I think I'm like an NC35. Maybe not. Maybe like an NC40. Actually, I'm like an NW. So this will be interesting. I'm just going to apply it to the under eyes. Then I'm also going to use it for the center of the face. So we'll see how it blends. I don't like to take concealer all the way out just because the concealers that I use blend there. So we'll see how this one goes. Oh yeah, it'll go. It's super creamy, and I feel like the coverage definitely there. So I am using natural lighting I'm pretty curious. I mean, I kind of could see how it's going so far, but the sun is going down, so hopefully it doesn't really, like the lighting doesn't really fluctuate too bad. Before we move on, I did want to do some cream contouring, a bit extra, but I'm kind of forgot about it because normally I would do cream contouring before concealer, so we'll see how that goes. But this is the Makeup Revolution foundation stick in the shade F15. I really wanted to use it just because I wanted to see how the coverage is, if it blends out, or I just wanted to see how it performs really. I'm not gonna go too crazy. It's a pretty hefty stick. I also got one in my shade. I definitely want to do a first impression on it, but I'm gonna take my sponge, the bottom part, and I'm gonna start blending this out. It's definitely super creamy, so I'm gonna take my spray and spritz my sponge a bit because I feel like it does need help with blending. It is a bit warm though for a contour shade. And this is why I do my concealer after, just because I feel like it helps to blend out the contour. I'll probably reapply concealer for that. Plus two, I don't feel too bad on reapplying the concealer just because I do feel like it's a little lightweight. To go on with another layer doesn't feel like it'll be too cakey. Oh, she's sharp. Also, another reason why I like going over with concealer on top is to help blend out the forehead. So she is definitely pigmented for sure. I don't even know if I'll go over top with contour powder just because contour is there. So I'm going to take the concealer again. This is actually a different shade. Right now I'm using NC40. I don't mind though just because it is lighter than my skin tone, but it's not as bright as the first one. That's what I get for just grabbing and going. But I'm going to blend this out with my sponge. So then when I blend out the concealer, like on the end, around the outside, I like to use the bottom of the sponge just because it still has some foundation in there, which helps to blend, fuse the two colors together. Blend it out. Okay, cool. I am going to set my face. I'm going to be using Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. I feel like this concealer definitely needs setting. Then I'm also going to set the forehead. So we're gonna let that sit just for a little. While it sits, I'm going to set the rest of my face, and for that, I'm going to use this BH Studio Pro Powder in the shade 230. And then as I start applying it, I will start dusting away, and using a powder that's in my shade to dust away the translucent powder will help with flashback. I don't even know if we're taking pictures, but if we are, I'll be okay. So if you watched my video from last month where I did like a makeup bag, and even every video after that I kept saying I need to wash my brushes, I need to wash my brushes, I never did. I have a feeling though, a good feeling, that I will be washing these brushes either tonight or tomorrow. I went to Ulta last weekend and I was so tempted to buy brushes just because I didn't want to wash mine. For the nose contour, I'm going to take Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Highlighter. Then, what do we have? So for blush, I am going to take Dose of Colors Amazement. Another one that I like that I feel like is very similar to this one is Luminoso. It's just that Luminoso has a kind of a glitter, sheening, a sparkle in it. Then for highlight, I'm going to use Amazing Anastasia. We're about to glow. I feel like the lower lash line needs a little bit of a definition. I'm just going to take Mary. I'm just going to run her on the lower lash line. So for the lips, I'm going to take Soft Spoken by NYX. Then for the center of the lips, I am going to take Hank & Henry's Luster Lip Gloss in Your Mom. That feels so good. So I am going to continue getting ready. I'm going to do my hair and change my clothes, all of that off camera. So this is the completed look for this get ready with me. I quickly curled my hair with some loose curls. I'm wearing this flannel sweater long coat from Target, just going all black. Even my boots are gonna be black. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and if you want to keep up with me elsewhere, my social media is always down below and at the end of this video. I'll see you in my next one.